Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here for a new video and I am driving the car in the traffic. It's not traffic right now, but it will. This sound comes from the tachometer. Sometimes it did this sound, sometimes it's not. This tel ne demekti ya İngilizce'de? I don't have any sensor for my tachometer. It don't comes from ABC ECU, so I have a wire at the behind of the tachometer, and this wire have a pull like that. The wire going inside this pull, and it's fit, but it don't go in this pull. It's Turkish. I don't know what's mean to and translate to English, so I'm using pull. The pull take the wire fit, so wire don't make any sound like this, but my pull has that it's over the wire, so wire is the free right now, it's not fit, so it makes this sound sometimes. Actually, the video is not opened, it don't take any sound, but when I open the video it makes sound. Motorcycle driver in Turkey are a little bit crazy. Generally, driving a motorcycle in Turkey, in this traffic, it needs so huge responsibility. It needs, but the other cars in the traffic don't do anything. They hit my car 3 times at the front of. All of the crashes are the same thing. We are at the traffic light. Next of me a car. I am back behind the car, and at the moment he is take a R gear, reverse gear to get back. He is in the traffic light. I am at back. I am at the behind for him, but he is take a reverse gear and push the gas pedal 2 times. This moment comes to me. I'm calling the horn. I'm shooting it my mouth, but it don't do anything. Don't do anything. People are sleeping while driving the car. don't difficult environment generally. Nice. When you push the horn, the traffic set up their kilometer at 100 plus at the time. Whenever you push the horn button, traffic will going to at start speed fast as şey nedir acaba? Işık hızı ya, light speed. It's not start speed, it's light speed. This means Turkish ışık hızı. I'm translating English light speed gibi saçma bir şey oldu. We are coming to the school. We are going to the home. We want to arrive home. I am hungry and I need to finish my project. Half of the project. Today is the last day for the finish the half part of the project, so I need to finish my half of the project. It's actually the project line and how it I am thinking the project. I am the software engineer and I need to draw my thing at the paper. Of course it's on the computer, not paper, but it's a clear screen. At the morning video, I'm recording video, I set the oil temperature is fit right now. I did this, it's worked right now on my oil carter at the end of the engine, you know. One sensor at the oil carter and one plug in the sensor head. But before my I don't have any sensor, any plug to my harness, engine harness. So five days or 3 days ago, I'm taking all of the engine harness in the engine and going to home with the harness and fix it out of the cables, all of the plugs. I'm change the new ones, so it's refresh right now. It's a fabrication condition, so the car is definitely running good right now. But I have a problem with my map sensor, and my carburetor have so bad. It's so stinky. I'm taking the oil gas at the burning in the carburetor. It's going to the air manifold, you know, the little boru neydi ya? Little pipe with a little pipe. And this pipe, I think, has some problem to the way to transporting oil gas, and I'm taking the oil gas so much. My burun neydi ya? Ear, kulak, Burun neydi ya? Burunu unuttum bak. Burun. And I am taking so much oil gas. It's so dangerous. It maybe makes us sick. Maybe, I don't know. I will repair it. I will repair it. So we are Maltepe University right now. This is Maltepe University. I wish you will see the video. It's perfect. It's not. Oh, okay. It's straight. I think it's straight. I wish you see the straight the camera recording. Some noisy sounds come the passenger side. I don't know where it comes. This road is a little bit dangerous. This hill going to traffic lights, and this traffic lights generally hectic and make and generally it's light. This light is red generally. And maybe at the moment your brakes are free. You don't know. Maybe these are the heat over the sınır ne demek ya İngilizce'de? Over the limit, over the limit. Maybe it goes yani. So you don't know. You don't know. Generally, you will going to your gear at the downhill if you are not in a race. Turkish says, what do you use at the upper hill? You use the upper hill. You need to use downhill too. So maybe I am taking this uphill with my third gear, so I should use the downhill with the third gear. They say like that. We are in Maltepe right now. I am living at Maltepe. Yeah, until my birthday. It's really my birthday. It's 1999. 1999. I know, yes. 1999. So I know the streets. Where do you eat something good? I know all of them, but something bad in this situation. It's Kopen. I think it's English talking. Kopen. Türkçesi galiba Jopen miydi? Jupen miydi? Kopen ya da kupen gibi bir şeydir İngilizcesi. Allah Allah. Traffic control. Traffic control, it's traffic control. Maybe it's here too. Oh no, they are not. Hangi camidesin? Yüzeyler Camii diyorsun, Maltepe Camii'de misin? Okay, I'm cut the video right now. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and write the comment at the bottom. See you at the next videos, guys.